Hey everybody, we just finished up this 2019 Chevrolet 2500 HD. It received our top of the line ceramic tint, 35% on the front windshield and 20% on the back and side windows. This vehicle is going to stay a lot cooler and definitely protected from the sun. We'll show you guys a video outside of what the vehicle looks like as well. Hey guys, we just finished up tinting this 2019 Chevrolet 2500. So I pulled it outside for you guys to see what it looks like. Unfortunately, it is a cloudy day, but I'll do my best to show you the results. Come take a look. Hey everybody, so here's the outside shot that I promised. Once again, it's 20%, and it's on the side windows and also the back window. And we put 35% on the front. Now this vehicle does have our top of the line film. It's also backed with a lifetime warranty, so it's gonna stay worry-free, no issues at all. But overall, this brand new truck is protected with the best. Like our page, subscribe, and please give us a follow. Once again, thanks for tuning in.